"We are warriors," said Targos. "That is all we know and all we do. Duty and war, war and duty. Thus it has been since we were created. The only bond we have that is not prescribed by duty is that of brotherhood." "That is the purpose of the Lodge," said Cederay. "To be a place where we are free to meet and converse and confide, outside the strictures of rank and martial order. There is only one qualification a man needs to be a part of our quiet order. He must be a warrior." "In this company," said Targos, "a man of any rank can meet and speak openly of his troubles, his doubts, his ideas, his dreams, without fear of scorn or notion from a commanding officer. This is a sanctuary for our spirit as men." Sergar Targos served as a captain of the Sons of Horus Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. A veteran of his legion's former glory when known as the Lunar Wolves of Terra, Targos, as the master of the 7th Company, reveled in the camaraderie forged by battle, as Scars Aplenty exemplified his deeds made in the name of his Primarch. Establishing himself as the leader of the 16th Legion's Warrior Lodge, Sergar's need to bolster fraternal bonds with his kinsmen enabled its infiltration by the malevolent schemer in their midst, First Chaplain Erebus. Speaking as the unified will of the Sons of Horus' line soldiery, Targos, though not a member of the exclusive Mournival, often bore witness to the induction of new members as an impartial spectator. His insight required during the Legion's direst hour of peril. Following the wounding of Horus Lupercal on the world of Darwin, Targos sided with Erebus' advisements to bring their wounded Primarch to the priests of the Serpent's Lodge. Ensuring the damnation of the Lupercal, Targos followed his liege lord down the path of damnation as he recovered from his grievous wound, aiding in the orchestration of the purge of his men's loyalist elements deployed to the world of Istvan Free. Injured during the Iron Hands ambush of the Battle of Dwell, Targos' skull was shattered in kind by the fractured remnants of the Dropsite massacre. His visage, though repaired, unable to ever be contained within a helmet again, due to plundered Salamander's Drake claws pinning his surgical fasteners in place. Permitting the brain-dead body of Gur-Garadon to house the soul of the demon known as Tormageddon, Sergar's infamous sacrifices made in the name of his legion would finally end within the bowels of the vengeful spirit. Having captured the Ultramarine Centurion of the 25th chapter, Proximo Tarkon, from the warship Guardians of Aquinas, garrisoning the world of Molech, Targos delighted in carving symbols and runes into the Astartes' flesh in order to facilitate his possession by a powerful demonic entity. Killed by the Raven Guard Knight Errant, Rama Karayan, with a bolt round to the head during the infiltration of the Primarch's flagship. As a last act of defiance, Sergar's body was possessed by the being known as Samus. Slaying the Iron Warrior Crusader host veteran, Tubal Cain, the body of Targos finally fell to the hands of Proximo Tarkon, his gladius buried deep into the creature's gut. Proximo avenging his own honor and that of countless warriors of myriad legions, the Ultramarine rested easy as he fell into a medically induced coma from Knight-Errant Arix Wojtek of the Iron Hands. The legacy of the naive devotee of the Lupercal, enabling the downfall of mankind entire. The galaxy gleans a mote of satisfaction, seeing such a pawn of evil rent from existence.